Sending money to Bendigo Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Access Bendigo Bank's online banking platform using your computer or mobile device. Then, look for a section related to payments, transfers, or transactions. This might be labeled differently depending on the online banking interface. Now, choose the type of transfer you want to make. This could be a domestic transfer, international transfer, or another option based on your needs. Then, provide the necessary details of the recipient, including their name, account number, and any additional information required for the specific type of transfer. Specify the amount you want to send. After that, select the account from which you want to transfer the money. Review all the details of the transaction to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transaction when you're satisfied. Depending on the security measures in place, you might need to authenticate the transaction using a one-time code sent to your registered mobile number or through another method. Once the transaction is completed, you should receive a confirmation message. Make a note of the transaction reference number.